Hey guys, we're back and live at 6:36. I'm running a mini for Todd's final mini for Todd's pretty awesome bust and statue battle there. That looks very neat. 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Top three win spots in the main on this one. Pasting my list of 50 entries in. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an Ocho. We're in great shape. Let's battle. Enjoy the ride. Dave Chrisman in the top spot for our first round. 7 to go. Dustin takes round 2 and round 3 with number 7. Mark in the top spot for our 4th round. David 5 and 6. Michael in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, with number 18. Final O round. I'm not going back too far gone. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Dave, Mark, and Dustin. Congratulations, guys. Here's our verification code and official results. VZFYCI. There's our winners. Congratulations again, fellas. I'm done. It's 6:38. There you have it. 6:38 it is. One more time. Take a look. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.